K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a lock pin by Leon's Lockpad called Easy Now. Of course, anyway. What was I doing here before? I did get this open earlier today, but of course I didn't get it on the film. I was actually in the process of uploading a video to YouTube, and let's get a wee closer for you. There we go. Huh. Let me try a little Reiki rake action here. There we go. Now we're in a nice false set. And there we go. Sweet. Nice. Well, let's take this bugger apart and see what we got, shall we? There we go. Man, I don't understand these stinking clips. Does anyone else understand these clips? They're just, I don't know, they're just weird to me. Anyway. Man, this thing is only 5 pins, but it's like longer than Get Out. So, here we go. Oh, shit. There we go. And here, one standard. Really nice. We have serrations on top and bottom there. I'll zoom in. Standard when I get after we get all these out. Oh, really nice. Some serrations. And this is really nice, like serration right on the top, and then a big spool. And in the core, looks like we have threading on 1, 2, 4, and 5. Yep, 1, 2, 4, and 5 on the threading on that. Really light threading. Interesting. Alright. Let's go ahead and take this guy apart. See what we have up in the Bible. Let's see if this helps at all. And it's like spool type thing. Yeah, there's my spring there. Spool. Spring there. That's a standard. Copper spring. Spool. Copper spring. And number 5. I have a spool with a copper spring. Now let's see here. Go up in the I don't think anything's been done, and nothing has been done. So see it. Anyway, again, this lock comes to us. Let me find the key here real quick. From Leon's Lockpad. Oh, let me show you this real quick first. As you can see, copper springs, all the same across the top. And we have standard little serrations on both those, standard serrations on both on his spool. We have like a small spool, well, that's a serration. Spool, standard, spool, and spool. Again, this lock comes to us from Leon's Lockpad. Title challenge lock called Easy Now. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.